Hello everyone, myself Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So our third chapter is Advanced Feature of SQL. In the last part, we are seen about the view. View is a virtual table. It is not physically present in the database, but virtually it will be shown the replicas of the particular data. After that, we are moved toward the sequence. A sequence is user-defined schema bound object that generate a sequence of numeric value. Sequences are frequently used in a many database because many applications require each row in a table to contain a unique value and sequence provide an easy way to generate them. The sequence of numeric value is generated in a ascending or descending order at defined interval and can be configured to restart when exceed maximum value. Sequence means arranging in the ascending either descending order to manage the database. It will be help to find out easily the particular data sequentially. So how to create the sequence syntax. Create sequence, sequence name. Start with initial value, increment by minimum value, maximum value, max value means maximum value, cycle, otherwise no cycle. So example is create sequence client. I am going to create here the client for the sequence. Start with 1 means here the starting number is 1 and increment by 1 means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 or minimum value 0 and maximum value is 100. So I am here going to generate only 100 numbers. Once I am assigning the 1, after that it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the cycle of the sequence. The increment by the clause is specific the time interval between the sequence number. Sequence number can be any positive or negative value but not 0. If this clause is omitted by the default value is 1. Max value and minimum value. This clause is used to specify the minimum or maximum or minimum value which are generated by the sequence. Start with. This clause is used to specify the first sequence number generated by the starting using start with clause. Cycle. This clause is used to specify the sequence continues to the generated repeated value. Catch. This clause is used to specify how many values to generate in advance and those values are kept in a memory for faster access of data. Drop sequence. Drop sequence statement is used to remove a sequence from the database. Restart a sequence by dropping sequence and then creating a new one. Example, suppose we are having a sequence with a current value of 160 and I want to restart or recreate a sequence with a value of 30. Then we can drop the sequence using drop sequence statement and create a new statement with the value 30. The sequence must be in your own organization of database. You should have the drop any sequence right in the system privilege. Syntax is drop sequence sequence name. Example drop sequence client. After that alter sequence. Sequence can be altered using alter sequence statement. Start value of sequence cannot be altered. Syntax alter sequence sequence name increment by integer value min value integer value. Example alter sequence client increment by 2 and minimum value is 10. So this part we are going to see about the sequence and how to create sequence, drop sequence, and